Welcome to Movie Review by Tolex, the home of deep movie breakdown, reviews and reactions. Let me ask you this question. What will you do if your best friend, the one you trusted the most, became your biggest enemy? That is exactly what the Yoruba movie ALAGBEDE, the Blacksmith explores. A story filled with friendship, betrayal and greed. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future reviews. The Blacksmith was produced by Jaiye Kuti, Fabusoro and Motunrayo Adeoye, featuring Femi Adebayo as Adio, Gabriel Afolayan as Wole, and Kehinde Bankola as Molewa. This movie looks at how trust, money and ambition can completely change people. Adio and Wole start off as close friends, brother in every sense, but the movie quickly shows how greed can creep into even the strongest friendship. The turning point in this film is when one friend introduces the other to a dangerous idea, something that tests their loyalty and moral values. It's not about what happened, but why it happened, and the movie captures the confusion perfectly. One thing that really caught my attention is when Adio tries to protect his image by lying about his sudden wealth. That moment says a lot about pride and insecurity, how far people can go just to keep their reputation. And then there is Wole. His character represents how easily some people take advantage of another person's weakness. As we say in Yoruba, Odale balelo, meaning a betrayer will always find a reason to betray. The message is clear: trust has limits and greed can destroy even genuine friendship. It's not about betrayal, it's about human nature, envy and the price of dishonesty. One thing I love about The Blacksmith is how the producers created the olden day Yoruba setting. From the costumes to the language and the traditional tools, you can tell that there is a lot of research and effort went into making it feel real. Also, the performances were top-notch. Femi Adebayo showed emotional depth, Gabriel Afolayan balanced calmness and cunning perfectly, and Kehinde Bankola brought a soft but powerful presence to every scene. The direction and the background blended beautifully with the storyline. You can actually feel the moral tension and emotional conflict just from their expressions and dialogue. For you people that have watched the movie, what lesson did ALAGBEDE, the Blacksmith, teach you? Because for me, it's simple. Never but blind trust in anyone, because betrayal often hides behind loyalty. If there is a movie you did like me to review next, drop the title in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Movie Review by Tolex for more thoughtful movie breakdown and reaction. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.